Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjay Panicker. I founded Amrita Homeopathy in 1997 in a small town in Kerala. Now we are placed at Bangalore, at Koramangala and at Marathalli. My clinic is named as Amrita Homeopathy and we specialize in hair and skin problems, respiratory problems, pediatrics, allergies, infertility, varicocele and hepatitis B. So as far as this question is concerned, it's one of the most common thing which people ask me, like what should I keep at home? What I should not forget to keep when this COVID situation is going on. So as we all know that COVID usually presents with fever, cough, cold, but nowadays the presentation is happening with vomiting, loose motions, stomach pain, and many cases there is no fever also. So there are certain things that we have to keep at home when this particular condition is going on. Like you need to have a kit which contains a thermometer. Your pulse oximeter is very important because you need to keep the oxygen saturation monitored, especially if you have a fever or some cough or cold or something like that. Because many cases there is no symptoms externally, or the fever might be very mild and it goes off in 1 or 2 days, and then after that it's directly hitting on the lungs. So oxygen saturation has to be monitored even if you have a slight cold or cough, and hence it's important to keep your thermometer and pulse oximeter ready at home. Steam inhalation is known to help most of the cases. So keep small kettle where you can boil hot water, and you can drink hot water too, and also use a steam inhaler, or a small bowl of water also is enough, and you can do the steam inhalation with that. 5 to 10 minutes of steam inhalation morning, afternoon and night is said to help in many of my patients. We have seen that in demonstration that patients have actually recovered with just steam inhalation and some home remedies. So it's important to keep certain small things at home, like see to it that you have black pepper seeds at home, you have clove at home, you have tulsi leaves at home, and you also have the basic essential things like dry ginger, which can be useful for preparing the kada, the drink, a decoction of tea, water, dry ginger, pepper seeds and tulsi leaves boiled nicely to drink 2 times daily is also helpful in this particular condition. So these items should be ready at your home for a day-to-day management to see that your immune system is on the boost. Chywanprash is again something which is helping most of the cases. Don't forget to include the homeopathic kit containing Arsenicum album, because many cases are gastrointestinal, and nuxvomica. These 2 things are very important for you. Again, we have medicines like aconite and belladonna, where the fever is sudden in its onset. Aconite in the first stage, within the first 24 hours it helps. Belladonna helps subsequently when there is a lot of congestion of the face. Bryonia is indicated in a lot of cases across the country, especially Dr. Pradeep Kumar Gupta is one of a renowned doctor in Agra. Naiminath Hospital, he runs about 200-bedded hospital. So he's been using bryonia as the preventive, and also he has treated many cases with bryonia. So bryonia is another major remedy that should be there with you. The other remedies that you should not forget to keep is gelsemium and camphor. But do not use all these medicines one after the other, because it may complicate your case. Take the help of your physician, homeopathic doctor, who can guide you about what to take at that particular situation. The most common preventive in homeopathy is Arsenicum album, which was recommended by the Central Council of Homeopathy during COVID-19. But now with this new variant which has come up, we are thinking of other remedies also, like bryonia, and we are also thinking of nuxvomica as the other preventives that can be used in this particular condition. So first 7 days you can take daily 1 dose of Arsenicum album 30, then leave a gap of 7 more days, and then you can follow it with bryonia 200 for another 7 days. Repeat this course every month, and that will give a protection for almost 1 month, and most of the cases are better with this itself. Later, if you develop any symptoms, then contact your homeopathic doctor who can help you, and where ventilator support is required, it's required to admit yourself in a hospital.